Hey guys, it's Erica. I just pulled up at Topanga Nursery and there's like a sign outside that said houseplants and there's nobody here, so I'm worried it's gonna be awkward when I'm filming, but that's okay. Okay, let's go see what they have. This is their little sign. It says that they have honey, gifts, and plants. If my camera would focus. Okay, we're gonna go check it out. It seems very jungly. I like it. I hear running water. Okay, so here are some little cacti and succulents out front. There's this man on the phone. This is so awkward. And over here they have their little Thanksgiving cacti and these little 2-inch cacti. How much is this? This is so beautiful. I cannot wait until mine blooms. Look how pretty. I hope mine blooms white, but I don't think so. I think it's gonna be more like this one, but that's okay because that's equally as beautiful. I've got a little spider plant, string bean plants, indoor plants come in, house plants come in. Okay. Beautiful little Fiddle Leaf Figs. Got some little money trees, more spider plants. I think these are desert roses. I don't really know much about desert roses. ZZ. Oh, it has these new little leaves. I love their new leaves. Some little baby Tillandsias. Some more over here. Pothos. Little baby there. And I love this planter so much. It's so cute. Oh, this is called a button fern. I didn't know that. Button fern. Candy corn? Bromeliad. It's a little bloom. Zebra plant. Some Dieffenbachias. Big Pothos. Oh, it's a Nancy up there. Alright, coming back here. Snake plants. I like these little, look how cute this is. A little curly spider plant. It looks like her hair. Oh, these are baby aloes. And then a Rosso. I think this is a Thanksgiving cactus. This one is really, like the spikes are really close together. I don't know if that makes sense. Oh, that's my favorite Dieffenbachia. Look at these leaves. This is a big mama. Big mama money tree. Some orchids. Another really big one. Oh wow. Calathea Deliciosa. It has a new leaf unfurling. Just a little baby one. Spider plants. Calathea over here, Medallion. Peace lily. Oh, and there's some lucky bamboo. They have a curly one, just some little smaller ones. A Fiddle Leaf Fig up there. Umbrella plant, Dracaena. One of those pink Agleonemas. I love pink plants. Ooh, this is a big umbrella plant. Tradescantias. Oh, maybe this one's gonna bloom soon. The Thanksgiving cactus without any buds. Some more bromeliads, anthuriums, some Selloums. Mine is outside in the cold right now. Oh, look at these little baby ZZs. Some Rossos. I used to have one and I killed it. I can't handle peperomias. Little baby snake plant, baby zebra plant, baby rubber tree, and then polka dot plants. These plants are so pretty. I love it when they're mixed and they have like the light pink one, the darker one, the white one. Those are my favorites. These are so big. Look at that beautiful variegation. That's so pretty. Wow. Oh, they're so happy. More snake plants. Some Fiddle Leaf Figs. And then up here we got the big golden Pothos. Some Dracaenas. Then over here you got the Agleonemas. Some more Pothos over here. So pretty. Oh, they got the little variegated ones. This is my favorite arrowhead plant. Such a pretty Syngonium. Rattlesnake Calathea. Maidenhair Ferns. Oh my gosh. Can't deal with those. Some African masks. More zebras and stuff. Look how pretty. Oh, some Staghorn Ferns down here. I kind of want to put a Staghorn Fern in a little basket like this, but I don't really know how to care for them, so I'm kind of scared to do that. Ooh, more fiddle leaves. We got some little, oh my gosh, so cute. I love these little burrow tails. That's a cute little cactus. They got a lot of outdoor plants. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. How can you not love these? They're just so cute. Oh my gosh. These are just like the succulents and stuff. Succulents are so pretty. They just... Oh, look how adorable. I don't think I've seen, maybe I have seen these colors, but seeing all these colors grouped together, it just looks like a beautiful, like, sunset, kind of like Neapolitan ice cream. I don't know. It's it just looks so cute like that. Love these little succulents. Oh, look at this one. Ooh, I don't want to step on anything. Look at these little flowers. Oh, so cute. And then these are my favorite flowers, but it's not because of the flower, but the flowers do look really pretty. But I love the leaves on them. Cyclamens. The leaves are so beautiful, but the flowers are also really pretty too. It's probably why most people like them. These alocasias have been outside, so the weather here in Southern California has been very rainy for like the past 2 weeks, and it's been very cold. So these are looking pretty good for the cold weather they've been through. I want to see how much they cost. This one here is $30. I think that's a good price. Unless I'm reading it wrong, but I think that's a good price. At Home Depot and stuff, they sometimes have alocasias like this, and they're usually like $35. So these are only $30, and at different nurseries and stuff. So I think that's it for this tour today. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! They also have this really cute picture because they have honey, I guess. I wish I had someone here to take a picture of me here. It's a little baby one too. Love it.